Hi friends, this video shows how to fix this this USB drive issue on Redmi mobile phone. Here I have connected this USB pen drive to this Redmi mobile phone, but this mobile phone is saying I have to format this USB drive, then only I can connect this USB pen drive to this Redmi mobile phone. But if I format, that will delete all data from this pen drive. So without formatting, I will show you how we can connect this USB pen drive to this Redmi mobile phone and open files or copy files inside this USB pen drive. First, let me cancel this. Close this. Then open Google Play Store. Search for NTFS file manager. Then install two apps. This is the first app, Total Commander File Manager. Install this app. Let me go back. This is a plugin. Tap on this exFAT or NTFS for USB by Paragon. Install this app. Okay, done. Now I have successfully installed these two apps. First I am going to open this plugin app. Tap on this plugin app. Then tap on open. Go down. Tap on I agree. Again go down, tap on I agree. Here you can see a pop-up. Tap on OK. We have to allow this plugin app to access this USB flash drive. Tap on OK. Tap on I don't want to receive news. Tap on allow. So here you can see a mount button. Here you can see the name of the connected USB pen drive. Here you can see the file system used in this USB pen drive. It says APFS. Tap on this mount button. Then tap on start trial. Tap on this sign in with Google. We have to log in with Google account. Tap here. Okay, done. Tap on open settings. Allow this file access. Go back. See, it successfully mounted that USB pen drive. After this, again go to Google Play Store. Open this Total Commander File Manager app. Tap on accept. Here you can see this app has detected that plugin, Microsoft exFAT or NTFS for USB by Paragon. Tap on this plugin. Here you can see no name, that is the name of this connected USB pen drive. Tap on no name. Now we are seeing files and folders inside this USB pen drive. Let me open one image. See. Next I am going to copy one file from this USB pen drive to mobile phone. Let me select one image. Tap on hold. Tap on copy via Bluetooth. Tap on this icon. Then select the destination location. Tap on internal shared storage. Tap on OK. Allow this file access. Go back. Then again tap on internal shared storage. Then select one folder where you need to paste that image. So I am going to paste here in this movies folder. Then tap on OK. Tap on copy. Done. So now I have successfully copied that image from this USB pen drive to mobile phone. Let me check. Open File Manager app. Tap on this folder icon. Tap on internal storage. Go to movies folder. Here you can see that copied image. Done. Okay, so this way we can fix that issue. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.